I thought uploading more was the only way to increase your Amazon on-site commissions, until I realized that strategy is actually capping your income. Let me explain. So let's make this clear. Uploading more is the core way of getting more Amazon commissions, but there's a hard ceiling that most people don't even think about. The key constraint is product inflow. Eventually, you'll run out of products to review, and no products means no new videos. No new videos means a capped income. So how can we get a constant flow of products? Well, this is where Outbound shines. So within your Amazon.com dashboard, go over to your Creator Connections tab, and here you can see all the brands participating in boosted commission campaigns. The idea is to message the brands that have a product worth reviewing, and then ask them for a free sample in exchange for a product review. The brand benefits from better conversions on their Amazon listing, and you resolve your issue of no product inflow. But not every product is worth reviewing. That's why brute forcing more videos is actually stunting your growth. Instead, let's break down how we can increase your leverage on every video you make. So there's only 2 levers that you can actually pull on in terms of increasing leverage with Amazon reviews. Put simply, either A, you increase the value of each video you post, or B, you decrease the amount of time that you spend making each video. I'll briefly go over both, but let's start with B. Decreasing the amount of time spent. So the objective is to increase efficiency while not impacting quality. So let's be clear about that. I'm not telling you to cut corners on your videos, but I am suggesting better systems. This is where most people waste time, and exactly what I wanted to fix. Instead of messaging all these random sellers, you can actually filter out the best ROI products and only message for those. That way you don't waste your time reviewing something that just won't sell. I currently use the Viral View tool, which allows me to filter out all the noise. I just have to let it scan the category of products I'm interested in reviewing, filter out products under a 50 viral score, and we are left with the best candidates. Once you've filtered out the best ROI products, Outbound should be fast, not another bottleneck. As you can see, Viral View automatically pulls the tagged products and includes that in our preset message. All we have to do is simply select the product we want to review and hit send messages. With the Viral View subscription, you get 20 of these automated messages per day, with the option to upgrade to 100 messages once you're in that scaling phase. Keep in mind, Outbound truly is a numbers game. You can increase the likelihood of getting a response by simply increasing your volume. That's why tools that allow for more volume are so crucial to success. And a quick disclosure, yes, today's video is sponsored by Viral View. Now, their subscription plans might look expensive from a beginner's perspective, but it does save a lot of time and increase the amount of value you get out of each video. Now, I will say this, if you are a beginner with less than 100 videos posted, Viral View's subscriptions might save you some time, but it probably won't financially ROI right away. That being said, if that is you, Viral View offers a free plan with limited features. The free plan should help you transition from a beginner phase to a spot where the paid plan makes more sense. And when you're ready to upgrade, make sure you use code NIOXI10 for 10% off. Now let's cover how we can increase leverage with option A. Reminder, that is increasing the value of each video posted. Okay, so I want you to think of every single post that you make as an income producing asset. But this asset does have a limited shelf life, and you're probably underutilizing it. Most people treat Amazon videos as a one and done upload, but in reality, they're assets that you can optimize over time. Here's the good news though, you've already done 95% of the hard work. The last 5% will be worth the squeeze. So here's 2 things we're going to do. Increase the actual commissions itself, and increase the value of the product. So to increase the actual commissions itself, we're going to use the Viral View's Auto Campaign Acceptor tool. This allows you to automatically apply these higher commission rates to your existing videos. In this example, you can see the tool found and accepted 58 eligible campaigns for my existing videos. And now, instead of getting 1 to 3% commission rates, I'm getting 10 to 20% commissions on those 58 videos. If you have the Viral View paid plan, I would definitely recommend running this feature multiple times a week. That way you catch brand new campaigns and update any old ones that expired. Now, as for increasing product value, it's very simple. You want to review items that are higher ticket. Now, if you decide to stick with lower ticket items, make sure they have the sales volume to make up for it. And yes, Viral Viral Views paid plan has a tool for this as well. You can see how many sales a product is making per month, and equally as important, you can also see how many influencer videos is on there, aka competition. The ultimate formula for the highest ROI is a high-priced item with a high sales volume and low competition. If you come across something like that, make sure you get multiple videos out there. But more commonly, you'll find things with a high-priced item, medium competition, and medium sales volume. Also, another tip to really juice the value out of each product is to actually sell the product locally once you're done with it. So let's go over what we learned today. Number 1, we covered how to fix the product constraint issue using outbound messaging. Number 2, we explored how to increase leverage through efficiency by decreasing time spent per video. We also went over increasing leverage through making each video's shelf life more valuable. We did so by boosting commission rates and filtering the best products. If you want in on this opportunity, definitely join the email list, and I'll send you a free exclusive video on how you can get started with the Amazon Influencer Program. The link will be in the description for you guys. Now, if you want to see how the first few months on the Amazon program went, make sure you click this video right here, and I'll see you all over there.